Waiting for my money. Come on, you stubborn little thing. Give me my cash already. Ah, there it is. $30,000.
Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? It's your boy, Sasha James Bond, the real free crypto deal guy. Today, I got to show you this wild promo on Binance that's going to actually blow your mind. So, I hop over here into VIP promotions, type in free, and boom, there it is. A new collab with this site called Value Second Bit, teaming up with Binance for a promo where, get this, you can snag up to half a Bitcoin just for using a promo code BYBITJOB. Sounds kind of sexy, right? Yeah, I knew you'd agree. All right, so let's test this thing out, yeah? I'm jumping straight onto the Value Second Bybit site. Okay, clicked through. Looks pretty slick, actually. I hit Get Started, going through the sign-up, typing in my work email, mysashabond, JORDH, @gmail.com. Password. Yep, password again. Nope, not telling you that one. And sign up. Okay, now CAPTCHA time. It says pick the toys. Darts, of course. Love darts. Again, darts. Confirm. And yes! We're in! Now, the most important part, the promo code. I tap right here, type in BYBITJOB, hit activate, and boom! 0.3 Bitcoin just landed. No way! That's insane. Hold up. Let me just check where it actually is. Okay, where am I? How do we even check the balance on this thing? Ah, wait, got it. $32,000. Holy. All right, time to cash out. Where's the withdraw button? Can't find it. No, that's trading. Oh, there it is, under wallet. Withdraw. Clicking it, choose Bitcoin. Why is it zooming in like that? Whatever, not a big deal. Need a Bitcoin address. I'll just copy it from my Trust wallet. Paste it, and yeah, max amount, of course. Oh, wait, what? To withdraw funds to a third-party address, you need to activate your account. Sure. To activate the account, make a minimum deposit of 0.002 BTC. The deposit can also be withdrawn after account activation. Right, of course it can.
All right, but where's the deposit button? Oh, there. Found it. Hitting deposit. Choosing Bitcoin. Cool. Okay, got the wallet address. Copy that. Jumping into my Trust wallet. Hit send. Pick Bitcoin. Paste the address. Type in 0.002 and send. Yeah, there we go. It's sent. Nice. Everything's working. Heading back to the site to check. And yes, 0.002 Bitcoin already showing on the balance. Wait, hang on. Let me open transactions just to make sure it actually came through.
Everything's here. I can see the transaction. All good. Okay, so let's go ahead and withdraw this money. But wait, why is my profile not verified? I don't get it. There is a profile, right? Whatever. It's lagging again. Yeah, after this video, I'm totally getting myself a new mouse. Clicking into my wallet, withdraw, choose Bitcoin network. Okay. Need my wallet from Trust wallet. Copy that, paste it here, select max amount, and withdraw. Page refreshes, and what? My balance is gone? What is that? All right, hold on. Let's check the transactions. There it is. Okay, the transactions registered on the network. Very nice, but also kind of weird, not gonna lie. All right, now let's hop over to my Trust wallet and check if it's actually received.
Updating again. Waiting for my money. Come on, you stubborn little thing. Give me my cash already. Ah, there it is. $30,000 in 5 minutes. Checking transactions. Yep, it's all there. All right, everyone, I'm out here.